Ah, that music. Now, if he could replace the steel strings with those of his soft Stradivarius, wouldn't it remind you of that evening a long time ago? That night at Cannes,